Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to write a Python program to do arithmetic calculations using functions. So in this Python tutorial, I'll define a few separate functions for arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponent. Let's start. So first of all, I'll define a few separate functions for the arithmetic calculation such as define addition, num1, num2, and I'll return num1 plus num2. After that, let's copy it and paste it for other functions. Okay, I'll create 7 different functions. Okay, let's rename it as subtraction, and here I'll put minus, and this will become multiplication. Here I'll put the multiplication sign, and then I'll just rename it to division, and here I'll put the division sign, and then I'll make it floor division, and here I'll put its sign, and let's make it modulus, and here I will place the percentage sign, and the last one is define exponent, and here I'll put its sign. So I've just declared all these functions here, and after that I'll take its input num1 is equal to integer input, which is enter the first value. Okay, and then equal sign. Let's copy it, paste it here, and this will become num2, and now I'll just rename it to the second value. Enter the second value. After that I'll print the values. Print, the first one is the addition, which is equal to middle bracket 0, dot format addition, num1 and num2. Let's close it. I'll just copy it and paste it for other functions. 7 times, and I'll just change the names. Let's make it subtraction for the subtraction function, and this will become subtraction. After that, let's make it multiplication. Same here, this will become multiplication, and then this becomes division. Here also division, and this one becomes floor division. Let's change it as well, floor division, and this one becomes modulus. This one becomes exponent. Let's change this as well, modulus, and the exponent function. Okay, so these are the functions that are declared, and also I have uh, set the inputs here. So I'll just debug it and run it and show you what the output is. Okay. Okay, so it is asking for the first value. Now I'll enter the first value here. Let's say 5, and the second value 8. Okay, so you can see the results here. The addition becomes 13, the subtraction is -3, the multiplication is 40, the division is 0.625, the floor division is 0, the modulus is 5, and the exponent is this one. So this is the result for this program. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to write the program for this, and for other videos or other topics, if you want me to make programs on other topics, whatever topic you want, you can just write it in the comments and I'll make videos on that. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.